March 29, 2022, the canoe rebuild was complete. Back together and camouflage painted. I've got Flex Seal on all the rivets. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications for REO-Outdoors. This is going to be a sneak down the river, up the creeks and channels, buck slayer. This is going to be a hunting, obviously, a hunting canoe, 14 foot. I don't know what make or model it is, but it has an M on the seat right there. I painted the bow and the stern red to represent the blood of the whitetail. It's going to be floating in this canoe one day. That's the repair end. I had to remake the seat. I had to remake that bow cover, that stern cover right there. And it is actually wider now than it was originally. You can see on the seat where I cut off like 4 inches. It's 4 inches short on both sides. That's how much wider this is than it was originally. Up underneath there for the kick plate, I took the plastic cover of a tote, cut it and trimmed it and made it fit in there. Up underneath the red, that stern cover, I put the original styrofoam insulation in and added more insulation in there. The canoe does have a brand. It has an R on each side. Soon to be returned to the owner, REO-Ryan. This was the crushed side. It was bowed all the way in. Had a big bow all the way in where the tree landed on it. All that was crushed in, of course. I smashed it back out with a hammer. It all got a bunch of wrinkles on it. But you can't tell with a camouflage job, can you? You wouldn't know there's a bunch of wrinkles in there. I like this seat better than that one up there anyway. But there it is. My March 2022 canoe rebuild. I'm really happy with it. Remember, folks, like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications so that REO-Outdoors goes nationwide. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Safety first. And hope to see you again. Bye.